Mom, come quickly!
What happened, Henry?
I saw a cockroach in the kitchen! Really? Where is it? It ran behind the cabinet. Oh no! I don't like cockroaches.
Stay calm, everyone.
Let's solve this together.
Should I catch it?
No, don't touch it.
It might run very fast.
I know. They are quick.
Let's look carefully.
Bring me a flashlight.
Here you are, Dad.
Thank you.
It was really strange. What was? I think I saw it move. Where?
Cockroaches like dirty places.
Let's clean everything. It disappeared again.
Don't worry.
The kitchen must stay clean.
Why?
Cockroaches like dirty places.
Let's clean everything.
Please throw away the food scraps.
Okay, Mom. I'll wipe the kitchen table.
Great job.
Close every food container.
I'm doing it now.
Wash the dirty dishes.
I'll help. The floor looks much cleaner.
The floor looks much cleaner. Excellent.
Look! The cockroach is running again. I see it.
Stay calm.
Don't scream.
It went under the refrigerator.
I'll check carefully.
Use the flashlight.
Good idea.
Should we move the fridge?
Very slowly.
There it is!
Everyone stay behind me.
I caught it safely.
Great job, Dad! Is it gone now?
Yes, it's outside.
We should clean this area again.
I'll sweep the floor. I'll disinfect the counter.
I'll disinfect the counter.
Perfect.
Always empty the trash every day.
I understand.
Never leave food uncovered.
We won't. Our kitchen looks clean now.
Yes, everyone worked together.
Always cover fresh food.
I will remember.
What is our first kitchen safety rule?
Keep the kitchen clean every day. I learned an important lesson today.
A clean kitchen keeps our family healthy.
Let's always keep our kitchen clean.
Working together keeps our home safe and healthy.